I bet you didn't know that Moringa powder packs more nutrients than kale, spinach, and even oranges. Moringa powder has been a game changer for my health. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this superfood is like nature's multivitamin. From boosting energy levels to improving digestion, Moringa's got you covered. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, it helps to fight off those nasty free radicals. And with 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, it's an immune system powerhouse. But it doesn't stop there. Moringa is also a fantastic source of plant-based protein, making it perfect for vegans and vegetarians. And did I mention it contains all 9 essential amino acids? Plus, it's super easy to incorporate into your diet. Toss a spoonful into your morning smoothie, sprinkle it over your salad, or mix it into your favorite recipes. Your body will thank you. So if you're looking to boost your health naturally, give Moringa powder a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and superfood secrets. See you in the next video.